Hey people, it's me, L24, not with Summerlin 12. I'm gonna play Snoring. I know, if you've seen Summerlin 12 played this, but I don't care. I want to play it because it looks fun. What I wanted to play was Blobby, whatever it's called. Elephant's rumbling snores are defending. Help, wake him up. Try clicking the mad owl. Yeah, it's mad. Mad owl. I'd be mad if the elephant kept snoring while I was sleeping too. I'm with you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Pig, you better do it. Afro circus, that's the song in my opinion. What? Yeah, this is hard. So I'm gonna end it here. Bye. This was just random. I just wanted to record. So bye.